Hi, Assalamualaikum guys. My name is Nokratar Ayuni binti Ghazli, alias Ghazali, and you can call me Ayuni. And I am 21 years old. Okay, I am currently a student semester 5 in Diploma of Advertising Design at Tibet Mara Sungai Petani Kedah. Okay, I will be graduating July 2026. Okay, today I will present my portfolio through my Behance, and before that you can scan here my QR barcode Behance, and I want to show you my learning journey and my development in design. Okay, so before that you can scan here to show my Behance. Okay, this is my mood board and also my creative identity. Okay, I choose maroon as my main color because it reflects my personal style, and most of my outfit also use this color lah. I also use element like checker pattern, frame, rose flowers, kiss sticker, and strawberry to create a more attractive and consistent visual lah. I use the color is maroon, cream, and white. The main color is maroon lah. Because I like maroon, and also my outfits main color maroon. Okay, all these elements help build my creative identity. Okay, next is my creative resume. Okay, I apply my mood board concept into my resume to keep my personal branding consistent. Okay, this resume includes my education, experience, achievement, and skill in a clean and professional design and layout. Okay, have my name, Kurator Ayuni, and gender and feminine, and date of birthday is 50 February 2005. Place of birth at Kulim Kedah. Address Kampung Pada Ubi, Labu Besar 01010 Kulim Kedah. My contacts or my number is 011-124-883-98. My email is ghazaliayuni@gmail.com. Okay, it's my resume. Look at my education. Okay, in 2012 to 2017, I finished my primary school at SK Labu Besar Kulim Kedah, and 2081 to 2023, I finished my secondary school at SMK Labu Besar Kulim Kedah. Okay, I get SPM 3A, 3B, and 1C and 1B. Okay, next. Okay, after I finish my secondary school, I continue my education in Institute Kemahiran Mara Sungai Petani Kedah. In 2024 to 2026, in Diploma of Digital Advertising Design. Okay, reward of honors. Okay, semester 1 June 2024, I get 3.86, and semester 2 July December 2024, I get 3.66. Semester 3 June 2025, I get 3.93, and semester 4 July December 2025, I get 3.94. Okay, at the same time, I got best design innovation in subject innovation lah. Semester 3. My volunteer works is life selling assistant hijab business in 2022. Assistant life selling season, support house, and interactive with viewer. And next, my volunteer works is creative and social media volunteer in 2025. designer Merdeka, trim cup, sleek cup for routine cafe, assistant live season for Warung Pak Kerat, create content and editing video for social media. Okay, my language is English and Malay lah. Okay, my experience. My experience is live host assistant, hijab live selling, assistant main host during live selling season happen across with viewer and support sale progress lah in 2022. Next is creative and social media support. Designers mereka trim cup, sleek cup, for Roti Cafe, assistant live season for Warung Pak Kerat in subject branding, create content and editing video for company social media. The software skill, my software skill is CapCut, AI, Photoshop, Canva, Premiere Pro and Clip Studio lah. I can do illustration, designing, photography and video editing. Okay, my reference is my heads of my program. That is Mr. Nozaidi bin Zainon, and my lecturer is Madam Nodashima bin Muhammad Syed. Okay, next I want to show you my portfolio. Okay, this is my cover behind my portfolio, and this is my cover portfolio. Okay, 2024 to 2026. Okay. My education in Institute Kemahiran Mara, Sungai Petani Kedah or Tibet Mara. Okay, this is my cover portfolio. Okay, that's me. We go to my education lah. Okay, in semester 1. Okay, semester 1, I learned to basic of design, subject like typography and fundamental of design help me to understand font layout and design principle used as balance, contrast and unity. Okay, I also learned creative and commercial art where I practice drawing technique like line, art, shading and coloring. Okay. This semester were my basic foundation in graphic lah. Okay, this is my typography. Okay, this subject focus on the fundamental of typography such as F1 selection, hierarchy, spacing, and layout. Okay, this is subject we learn how to experiment with font, explore variants like face and select site title font based on posters, stamp, Adobe Illustration and Canva which accurately use to creative clean, balance and effective typography design for visual communication. Okay, this is my poster. I make a poster. The product is brand is Ayam Selesa. Uh, the flavor is satay lah. I make a three design poster. This and this. Next is fundamental of design. Okay, this subject focus on learning the element and principle of design size as line, shape, color, space, balance, contrast, align, element, repetition, and expression. Through this subject, I learned how to apply this element and principle to create clean, visual, spelling, and effective design for visual communication. Okay. This project I'm doing of the subject fundamental of design. Okay, next is creative and commercial art. This subject I very like In semester one, the subject my favorite is creative and commercial art because I like sketch and I like sketch. I like art, you know. So because of that, I would like to like creative and commercial art. This subject is my favorite subject. Okay, this subject focus on the develop of creative and art concept. I learned to draw and color use various technique while applying tone, shadow, color, and contrast to create visual applying and effective artwork. Look at this. This is my cover book. We have to sketch cover book. Okay, this is my cover book sketch. Then this is my composition and angle, tone, balance, and sketching. Make sketching three item random. So I mix this the brush, corn, my octopus pillow, and my perfume. Okay. Okay, this is my favorite part is close up and contrast. My favorite is close up. Yeah, why I choose I because I very like when I talk with someone can I I look at her eyes ataupun his eyes. Because of that the close up I choose eyes. Okay, this is contrast mixed with color yellow, orange, and blue. Okay, this a character sketching. I choose Wara Bella, Wara Moabella. Okay, this I sketching Wara because she's so cute. Because of that, I choose she because she's so cute and viral at the same time because she face. Okay, this is my creative artwork is t-shirt. Uh, okay, next is creative and critical thinking. Okay, creative is critical thinking. This subject focus on development creative and critical thinking skill to solve problem in innovatively, learn to analyze situation, to create new idea, evaluate, evaluate, evaluate possible solution and make decisions based on logical and creative reason. Okay, this is my crazy and furniture hat. I mix with I make it with many item with kettlebell, with kite, with keyboard. Okay, this is my favorite my project because yeah I a proud of my team to make this crazy and futurist hat. Okay, next is creative shoes eco-friendly packaging. I make this. Okay, in semester 2, I focus more on digital skill. Okay, I learn subject like copywriting, photography, digital illustration, and creative software application. Okay, in my photography, I learn how to composition like lighting and angle through product and fashion shoot. Okay, in illustration, I create artwork use Clip Studio with shading and lighting technique. Okay, next I want to show you my semester 2 subject. Okay, this is digital illustration. Okay, this subject focus on my creative digital illustration using Clip Studio. We learn to produce creative illustration experimenting with color, shading, lining, data, and digital drawings technique. In addition, we practice apply composition, proportion, and character expression to create visual applying reason and and professional artwork. Okay, this is my first project. Is Spider-Man sketch. Okay. Next is character design. We have to uh, search any character, and her face we have to use student face. Okay, next is product sketch. Okay, I chose product is KitKat, a new edition. Uh, okay, this is my product sketching. Okay, this is my favorite part project in digital illustration, and also cover novel. Okay, this is my favorite part too. This final project for digital illustration. We have to make a design cover for novel. Okay, next is creative software application. This subject focus on the use of creative software to produce various visual project. I learned to master tool and function within the software to create graphic design, foster digital illustration effectively by applying design and principle and creative in its project. Okay, this is my shoes banner, and this is my cover magazine. I choose Billie Eilish because I like her. I like her song. I like she song. Okay, this is my ebook menu. In subject creative software application, we have to make a ebook menu. This is the cover ebook, and this inside in ebook menu. This two, and this is bestseller. Next, in subject photography, okay, this project focus on the fundamental of photography, including composition, lighting, focus angle, and preparative. I learned to capture image using proper technique, apply creativity in framing, proportion, and subject experience expression, and edit photo to produce visual applying high quality and professional image. Okay, this is my photography in subject. Okay, this first project we have to uh, shoot a product. Okay, this is my product. I choose a Mirinda, a drink. The flavor is orange. Okay, this is our prop lah. I choose orange and fake cube eyes. The second product is I choose my foundation is Ima Safwan. Okay, next is fashion. We have to shoot fashion. So okay, this is my shoot. We make in the group. Okay, next my semester 3. Okay, in semester 3, I work on more practice project. In creative audiovisual, I produce a short film like Raya Tanpa Wi-Fi, storytelling video, and audio recording. I also develop in innovation projects calling Ailapa, with a food ordering system for Tibet Mara, Sungai Petani Kedah. I also create a website using Wix for my e-commerce project. This semester helped me improve my storytelling and problem solving skill. Okay, in semester 3, in subject innovation project management, we make iLapak. There is online food ordering app for Tibet Mara. We doing this in grouping with uh, Nurul Nuha and Soleha. Okay, next. Okay, this is hard subject for me in semester 3. Yeah, very hard subject. Okay, next is creative e-commerce. Okay. This subject focus on the application. My creative is subject on commerce. For this project, I developed a website used with to showcase our business product and service. I learned to create visual applying design, organize content, apply activity, and visual and easy and interactive use experience to extend the value and appeal of the business. Okay, this is my design product. The brand is One Su Beauty. The focus is lip matte. Uh, Many lip matte I use with this the lip matte, lip liner, lip tint. Okay, you can scan here to go to my website, which lah. Okay, next is creative audio visual. This subject focus on product, short film, storytelling, creative content, and radio recording. I learned to develop concept, writing script, record audio, and plan visual and audio storytelling to create generating meaningful audiovisual content. Okay, you can go to my YouTube channel is DSK. That is audiovisual. You can search anxiety and you can watch my storytelling about anxiety. Also, you can watch my short film in my grouping. That is Raya Tanpa Wi-Fi in channel Creative Audio Video DSK. Okay, you can scan here. Okay, next is startup. This subject focus on the fundamental of entrepreneurship and business development. For this subject, we create sticker design as part of our business branding. I learned to identify opportunity, plan brand strategy, and manage visual design that's iterative and consistent to strengthen the business image. Okay, this is the poster we make in subject startup, promotion special Ramadan and special. Okay, we make a mini burger and samosa. Okay, next is semester 4. In semester 4, I focus of branding. Branding is my core subject in semester 4. I choose we have to choose a many company and I choose a Warung Pakrat as my case study. Okay, I create a full brand identity including logo, typography, poster, banner, and product visual. I also create social media content and promotion material. And in publishing, I designing a catalog and digital material for the brand Warung Pakrat. Okay, this is commercial branding one in semester 4. This is company logo Warung Empat Kerat. Okay, this subject focus on branding and managing brand identity. I learned to design logo. Okay, this subject focus on branding and managing branding identity. I learned to design logo, color, typography, and other visual element to create a consistent, professional, and recognizable and brand email for the for this project. I choose the company Warung Empat Kerat to apply branding concept. I design logo, color, typography, and visual element suitable for creative technique and applying brand identity. Whites appraising consistency and effectiveness in the market. Okay, this is my brand identity, a receipt, and my invoice. Okay, this is the poster series. I make a series poster. First poster, I choose the lamb pasta. Second is chicken chop fried rice, and third is spaghetti meatball beef. Next is steel poster. The product is hot cappuccino, chicken beef carbonara, and fish and chip. This is my steel poster. We have to make 3 series poster and 3 steel poster. Okay, next is banner and my banner and roll out. Okay, this is my roll out design. We have to make two and one banner. This is my banner. Okay, next is design product. The item promotion lah. I make a design tote bag, apron, plates, packaging, break, packaging burger, mock-up, umbrella, sticker, paper bag, and kitchen. Okay, this item in FYP we have to print out lah. Next, in the subject publishing, we have to make magazine. Okay, Warung 4 Karat project for this project lah. I create digital material for Warung 4 Karat, including product, catalog, and digital poster. I use e-publishing software to organize content, design layout, apply typography, and incorporate image producing digital material that are visual appealing, well thought and visually accessible for customer lah. This is my design magazine Warung 4 Karat. This is owner Warung 4 Karat. Because of that, I use this image for main in design magazine lah. In magazine, we have to make a background company, corporate identity, brand identity, concept identity, service product in company lah. Okay, next this is a cover catalog Warung 4 Karat. Okay, next project we have to make a catalog. Okay, this is my catalog. In catalog, we have to make like Shopee catalog lah. Okay, this is menu in company Warung 4 Karat chicken chop fried rice. I choose a best seller lah. This crazy cheese, lamb pasta, mashed potato, kuah jalan Pengkalan, matuk mi sanggul. The next is combo best seller, tutut kambing. Next space I make a special November deal. This next is booking option. Also next subject in semester 4 is social media. You can search my in TikTok Warung 4 Karat and you can see our content video storytelling I made to Warung 4 Karat in subject branding. In branding semester 4 to semester 5. Okay, I will show you. Okay, so look at my social media, content, storytelling, hard sell, soft sell in TikTok. I will show you. Okay, so or you can open my Behance. In my motion graphic, I upload my graphic selection. I upload creative visual that I produce during my study, and this work show my skill in video editing and video storytelling lah. I upload all my artwork semester 1 to semester 5. Okay, thank you for the watching my video presentation portfolio. Okay, in my conclusion, this portfolio show my journey, my progress, and my development as a creative designer, a content creator, and life host. Okay, I always willing to learn new things and grow in the creative industry. And thank you for the watching, and always support me, especially for my lecturer, for my head program. Okay, that's all for me. Thank you for the watching my portfolio presentation. Bye.